Welcome to Uncle Teach You. Shouldn't it be Uncle Teaches You? Yes, in the former English language, this is wrong grammatically. The right word is actually Uncle Teaches You. However, this is not a mistake. Or should I put it, it's a deliberate mistake? If you're not from this region or not familiar with Southeast Asia, I want you to know that you're actually welcome. Here, we don't really converse in the formal English. We simply speak our native market English, or better known as Singlish. I'm sure you can tell by now that we speak with our own accent, English as a base, but mixing up with Hokkien, Cantonese, Malay, and even some Tamil lingo. But fear not, because we can actually tune the level of how local we want it to sound. So in short, I just want to sound like who I really am. Okay, just an everyday Singaporean uncle who enjoy his work, okay, his kopi, and then strive to live life to the fullest. Okay, without having to pretend as some persona that who I'm really not. So what's this Uncle Teach You channel is about? Okay, this channel covers all the basic knowledge of various topics for people who are looking to get into graphic design, UI UX design, front-end UI development, HTML, CSS, or some videos. I also covered the apps, the gears, and the tools that I use for this trade, especially the Adobe tools. Only the essential basic knowledge without going too technical. The reason being, those are already covered by all the experts and gurus out there. They are doing a much better job, to be honest. I'm not going to compete with them. In fact, I do not need to compete with them at all, because those are actually not my expertise at all. My main objective is actually to help people kickstart in this domain. Once you get this basic idea, then those really advanced knowledge will be really useful. So all my videos will be very short, okay, mostly around 20 minutes each. Okay, I'll try to make some even shorter ones at 10 minutes each. They'll be more focused on specific topic. So besides teaching at a design school, I'm still practicing design in this media production business. Sometimes my schedule can be really quite hectic. Okay, I used to joke with my design students that first few years into this design career, you don't really get to see sun. But I'm really committed to build up this YouTube channel, so I'll try my best to publish a video a week, or at least one in 2 weeks' time. So doing video is actually hard work, especially making tutorial videos, from content planning, to script writing, to making all the assets, shooting, editing, reshooting, re-edit again, as well as all the back office work. And nobody works for free, right? Yes. So how do I actually make money from this? Okay, firstly, ads. I intend to earn some ad dollars from Google AdSense. So don't worry, I know how irritating this can be to the viewers. Okay, I am a viewer myself. I will only slot 1 or 2 ads into the video, likely the inter-topic time or at the end of the video. I will not slot ads into some videos like the work study timer which I made, since that would interrupt the usage. I hope you will benefit from all my videos, and if you are so kind to support me, please simply let the ad run fully. It will be no monetary cost to you, but only 15 to 30 seconds of your time. So after which the video will just resume. So this is how YouTubers get paid. And secondly, since my video cover graphic design, some of these design will be made into merch like the t-shirt, caps, and mugs, and so on. So for now, I plan to have them fulfilled by these third-party print-on-demand companies like Printful and TV from US. So again, thank you for supporting my work by buying my merch. My tutorial videos mainly covers Adobe Creative Suite software like Photoshop and Illustrator, while some on gears like Sony ZV-1, Zhiyun gimbals, as well as all the little stuff like the mouse sockets and also the camera harness. I put the e-store links in the description below, their respective videos for you. So these are actually affiliates links, meaning if you click on my affiliates link to get to the e-commerce store and buy the items, the e-store will give me a small share of their profit. This is at no extra cost to you at all. So there are also a few other more ways which I'll set them up slowly. Okay, if you really like my video, please click like and subscribe to Uncle Teach You channel. Your support actually means a great deal to me, so much appreciated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.